Hook Up Sisters is the latest movie, guys. Movie update and recommendation here. The movie is showing on Movie Nolly Room. Movie Nolly Room. That's where you can find this movie called Hook Up Sisters. We have Queenie Talbot and then Malik Martin and many others as well in this drama. You can find the movie on, Movie Nolly Room. Please do what to watch and let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in the next movie update and reviews.